whole world changed one day when all these random cards started raining down everywhere. At first, they seemed harmless enough, so a bunch of us kids invented this cool new game. That's when we realized those cards weren't so harmless after all. They were packed with incredible powers from another world. My name is Dan, and together with my friends Bruno, Marucho, Julie, not to mention Mr. Hotshot himself, Shun, and Alice, we are the Bakugan Battle Brawlers! Bakugan, one goal, 2 worlds.
What are you gonna do? The odds are stacked against you. Back against the wall, gotta give it your all. This is the final stand. The power's in your hand. 2 worlds collide on the inside. You gotta fight for what's right before it's gone, gone, gone.
The Bakugan Battle Brawlers in. Trust me.
What can I get for you today?
I'll have a liver kebab.
Sounds good. I'll have the same.
Excellent choice. Okay, that's 2 more liver kebabs coming right up. Huh? Is something wrong, Bruno? No, I'm good.
Yo, can I get a glass of prune juice over here?
Yeah, sure. I wonder what's gotten into Bruno. She's been watching me all day.
Step right up. Come see the legend for yourself. Today could be your lucky day. Come play against one of the great Bakugan Battle Brawlers. Now, who wants to take me on? For a small fee, you can battle the best. A chance like this only comes along once in a lifetime. You know our motto, we do battle anytime, anywhere. Now, don't be shy, I know you want to play. Oh no, the tunes.
Hey, come on. We love a good challenge. Huh? Hi there, little boy. I'm looking for a big, strong Bakugan player to roll with, and you look just like my type.
I don't know. Kid, how about me? I bet you and I could have a great brawl.
Wait, come back!
Boy, talk about sensitive. So then... what is wrong with kids today? Don't they like to have fun anymore?
I think Dan really needs to work on his sales pitch.
You said it, Drago.
Yes, sirree.
Oh. Shun? Those kids wouldn't like him either. No, look! It's Shun right over there.
Huh? Where? I don't see anybody.
What? No, I just saw him.
But there's no way you could have. Julie, we dropped him off at his dojo, remember?
And if he was in the area, I'm sure he would contact us.
Oh. Oh, I'm so hungry. Hey, let's go eat. We can try this again later. Come on, Marucho.
But I really did see Shun. I know I did.
Yo! Do you guys think you can make me something to eat?
Oh, hi, Dan. What do you want?
Everything's been put away. We closed an hour ago. Can't you go somewhere else? Hey, where's Marucho and Julie?
Marucho said he had to go home and check something on his computer, and Julie decided to go with him. I think they're afraid to eat here because your food gives them gas.
That's impossible! We only use organic ingredients!
Yeah, sure, whatever. I just want to get something in my gut. So, could you feed me, please?
You know, Dan will eat anything. Watch this. Okay, give me a minute.
Oh, let me help, Bruno.
That's all right. You stay here with Dan.
Bruno?
Hey, what's up? What is with her?
Oh, Dan. Now I know it's true. Bruno suspects me.
Suspects? Oh! She thinks you're masquerade spy?
All day long she was watching everything I did and everywhere I went. She doesn't trust me anymore. And it's all because my grandfather happens to be Hal G.
This ought to fill you up. It's made from all leftovers at the back of the fridge.
Great, thanks a lot.
Oh, that reminds me. I almost forgot. I have to go pick up some groceries.
Huh?
I'll be back real soon. Bye!
So why are you so suspicious of Alice?
Oh, so you happen to notice, huh?
Huh? Oh, well, yeah.
Okay, to be honest, I do think something is up with her. I mean, Alice doesn't have her own Bakugan, and she doesn't battle. What's up with that? So how come someone like her is even on our team?
Okay, I'll bite.
It's simple. She wants to stay close to us so she can get our Bakugan. All she does is watch our moves, then she reports them back to Masquerade.
Our Alice? She wouldn't do that.
Huh? No way! You think Shun works for Masquerade?
That was definitely Shun I saw today. He was probably wondering what we were doing in the park. He didn't think anyone would see him, but I did. Come on, think about it, Marucho. Shun's always gone off on his own, hasn't he? That's because when he's by himself, no one knows for sure where he is or what he's doing.
Yeah, you're right, but I'm not convinced. If that were true, then Dan would certainly have something to say about it.
Dan doesn't even suspect Shun. He's been so busy pumping up the brawlers that he doesn't even know what's going on right in front of him, so I'll have to show him.
You go, girl. Go get him.
You know, Shun could be in this house right now watching everything we do, but I won't let him get away with it. Marucho, I'm gonna get some proof. You wait here till I get back. Come on, Gorum.
Wait, Julie! Julie's plan has disaster written all over it.
What are you gonna do?
If there is a spy in the Brawlers, the only way to find out who it might be is to approach this problem logically. I'm gonna check out our website's history and see if there are any unusual patterns of activity.
Look out, Shun. Here I come. I know you're around here somewhere, and I'll check every room in this house if I have to. Aha! Ugh. Oops. Bad place to start. Oh, now I gotcha.
Woohoo! Come on in, Miss Julie. These waves are indeed gnarly.
It's no use! This house is too big, and if Shun's hiding here, I'll never find him!
Here's your order, Alice. Everything should be there.
Oh, thank you very much.
Dan, if the spy is one of us, who do you think it is?
Well, if I had to take a guess, I suppose Alice is probably the one who could contact Masquerade easiest. She's got the connections, what with her grandfather being Hal G and all.
Oh, no! Dan thinks I'm a spy and he doesn't trust me anymore.
Hey, Bruno, don't get me wrong. I doubt Alice is working with Masquerade, but if anyone has some inside info on who's spying on us, I bet Alice does.
Hey, Brawlers!
Huh?
Are you two up for a challenge?
Oh, yeah, sure. Anytime.
Long time no see. We haven't seen you around much since your ranking went up. Do you think you're better than us?
Yeah, what's up with you, Dan?
Huh? Not these two.
At last I finally found you, Shun. Who's that? Why would Shun be meeting a strange old man like that here? Oh, that must be Hal G and they've come to exchange secrets.
Suji and Akira. Oh, no. Man, I can't battle you guys today. Things are way too mixed up in my world right now. Sorry, maybe next time.
What? You bailing on us?
Huh! I heard you say you'd battle anyone, anywhere, anytime, Dan.
Huh? Who said that?
I think you owe Shuji and Akira here a battle, Dan. Or are you gonna run away because you're too scared?
Chicken! He wants to go home.
Nene, you know them?
Of course! I taught them everything they know. They're my brothers. Well, are we battling or not? I'm ready to brawl!
Oh my, you can see the whole city from up here.
I wonder what Hal G is looking at. Ah, so that's it! I knew Shun was up to no good, but I didn't think he'd be so bold to meet Hal G out in the open like this, and now they're trying to find a way into Marucho's house! I'll stop them before they carry out their evil plan!
I feel like I'm on top of the world.
You won't get away with this, Hal G!
What? Who are you?
And that's one for the good guys.
Julie?
Shun, I know what you're up to, but I'm gonna end it here and now. Come on, let's battle.
Battle?
Field open!
Let's do it! I'll take all three of you on at once if you want.
3 of them? I think you're gonna need my help.
That's more like it.
Field open!
Huh?
Listen, it's not me.
Huh?
The spy. I'm not the one you're looking for. You gotta believe me.
Alice, I know you heard us.
You heard us?
If I have to battle to make you believe me, I will. I'm proud to be one of the battle brawlers. Honest, I really am. I want you guys to trust me.
But how are you going to battle? You don't even have a Bakugan.
I'm not sure.
Don't worry. Leave that up to me, Alice.
Come on, what's the holdup? Let's do this! Game card set!
The Bakugan battle brawlers will be right back.
And now back to the Bakugan Battle Brawlers!
The Bakugan battlefield is now open.
We're ready when you are!
We're always ready. Hey, Nene, what do you think?
Shoot Sub-Terra Centipoid at Pyrus Siege! Then drag Shuji's Darkest Garganoid into the battle with an ability card! Sounds good! Bakugan Brawl! Sub-Terra Centipoid death! Ability card activate! Attractor!
Ah, not two at once!
Then we'll do the same! Ability card activate! Cut in Saber!
Bakugan Tigrera has entered the field.
You think you're gonna get away with that?
We already have! Gate card, open! All right!
Let's keep rolling! Chaos Tuskor stand! Oh yeah? I can do better than that! Mantis Ravenoid stand! Ability card activate! Blow away! Gate card open! Energy merge!
Ventus Ravenoid at 470 Gs.
Huh? What happened?
Yeah! Nice work, Nene.
Yeah, Nene, you really showed him!
That was a clever move, combining an airstrike with a trap card.
Yeah, that kid's pretty good.
All right! My next move will put them in their place!
Bakugan Brawl!
Dan! Bruno!
Son, you no-good double-crosser! What are you doing hanging around with Hal G?
What? Hal G?
Don't play dumb! I saw you and that old man trying to look into Marucho's house!
This girl needs help.
It's your move! Oh no! I'm surrounded! Now it's time for the big attack! Ravenoid stand! Gate card open!
Griffin power level increased to 420 Gs.
Ability card activate! Combine the power of the hexagonal magic circle! No way! It's called the triple no!
Combined power level increase detected and transferred to Bakugan Ravenoid.
I wonder where she learned that trick. I've never even seen the triple note used before.
What should we do?
This shouldn't be happening. Shuji and Akira wouldn't be so tough to beat if they didn't have Nene to make all their plays for them. We need a new strategy.
Okay, we'll have to counterattack with our own triple note of Pyrus, Aquas, and Chaos.
Okay, then I'll let you shoot the water attribute.
What? I'm Pyrus Dan. I'm a fire battler. Come on, you know that.
Who cares? If you don't do it, we can't do the triple node.
I'm going to have to do something about this. Dan and Runo aren't thinking straight.
This is you, Shun! You big cheater! You made a big mistake when you decided to work for Masquerade. You almost got away with it, but now I'm gonna make you pay!
She's definitely a brawler at heart. I like her style.
Do you? Well, maybe we should battle her. Huh! Bakugan Brawl! Skyrus, stand!
I knew you'd show your dark side eventually. Now it's lights out for you!
Wait! You're confused. That old man you saw with Shun was actually his grandfather. It wasn't Hal G.
Huh? Ha! Time for the big finish!
The only Bakugan we have left are Drago and Tigrera.
I never thought they'd get this far either, Dan.
It's your turn. Let's go.
The next card I use will be the most important card of all. Got it. Let's take out as many of their Bakugan as we can. It's up to you, Tigrera.
Wait, Bruno!
I can't.
What is it, Alice?
They're setting up a trap for you, Runo. I think you should shoot your Bakugan on an empty card.
But that's just like running away!
It's not. Chaos Bakugan are strong. It's just dangerous to go onto a card when you know there's going to be a trap.
Tigrera's tough. She'll make out all right. I don't need your advice, Alice.
Runo?
Bakugan Brawl!
No, Bruno!
Tigrera, stand! Good, she fell for it. Gate card, open! Triple battle! Go on! Shoot your second Bakugan now, Akira!
Bakugan Brawl! Ah! Center point, stand!
You're cornered! There's nothing I can do to help you now, Runo. It looks like you're on your own.
Fine. Don't worry about it. I suspected they might try and come at me with 2 of their Bakugan again. If my plan works, I can get both of them at once. I just have to use the right ability card.
Bruno! Use the Chaos Freeze card!
Why? Trust me, Alice. I know what I'm doing, and the Lightning Tornado card will do the job.
No, it won't. Nene's been calling out their plays, and she's used a hat trick of attacks as her pattern. You can't win with the Lightning Tornado card. Oh, Bruno, please, this time you have to trust me.
Akira, activate your ability card.
Sure thing. I'll use the Attractor card again and get Shuji's Darkest Scorpion in the game, and then this battle will be ours.
With the Chaos Freeze ability card, you can bring any battle to a standstill. And while time is stopped, you can add any other Bakugan you want to the game.
She's right. I can put Drago in. Bruno?
But Dan, we can't be sure they're going to add a 3rd Bakugan.
Come on! This is no time to second-guess yourself. We're just gonna have to trust Alice this time.
But Dan, I don't think she knows what she's talking about. How could she? She's never even been in a battle before.
Yes, I have.
Huh?
I've been right by your side in all of your battles. And whatever battles we face in the future, I'll be there too. When we face Masquerade, I want to be there to protect the Bakugan. We have to stay strong if we're going to save Vestroya. And together we can do it. Trust me, Runo. Please.
I have to win this battle on my own, Alice. That means I have to throw down the cards that I think will work. Understand?
Yeah, this card'll take him down.
Hey, Runo!
Look! This is the one! Ability card activate!
Attractor!
Chaos freeze! What is that?
Runo!
All right! Go, Drago! Okay! Delta Dragonoid!
Drago and Tigrera combined power levels 990 Gs.
How did they get so powerful?
Oh, we lost.
Hey, Alice was right. Good move, Runo.
Thanks, Dan. I can always trust Tigrera. She never lets me down. That goes for all my friends. Alice, I just want to say I'm sorry for not trusting you.
No, it's okay. You made the right choice in the end, and that's all that matters.
Thanks, Alice, for being there for me.
Sure.
Well, I guess we could scratch Alice off our list of potential spies. But when we do find out who's spying on us, and we will, I'm gonna make sure they never get near the Brawlers ever again.
Hey! We want a rematch right now!
Yeah, we were just getting warmed up.
Sure, why not? You ready, Runo? Alice? Bakugan, Brawl!
I knew it! Do you see it, Preyas?
I see it, but what does it all mean?
Someone got into the chat room. They hacked their way in. And it looks like they copied a bunch of files about the Brawlers' past battles, too.
What does that mean?
It means that someone used a remote computer to access all our files. They've analyzed every move we've ever made, and now they know everything about us, including our strategies and even the names of our Bakugan. I better go tell the others.
This day has certainly been full of surprises. You know, I had no idea Shun had so many wonderful friends from all over the world.
Oh yeah, we're global. So tell me, sir, did you come to the city just to see Shun?
I always wanted to see the sights, so I dragged him out of his dojo and he brought me here.
Sorry for bonking you on the nose, sir, but I thought you were someone else. Shun, I shouldn't have called you all those mean things either. Sorry, dude.
Aw, don't apologize. None of that would have happened if Shun would have told us what he was up to in the first place.
Sorry.
Oh, it's not that big a deal. That's right. Everyone here is still your friend.
Well, that's good to know.
This calls for a party! Party time! Hey, guys!
Oh, hi, Marucho.
Hey, what's going on? Oh, nothing. Did I hear somebody say something about a party?
Yeah, you're just in time.
Let's party! We can take the car back to my house. We'll need some snacks.
I could go for some squid
I
chibbles.
feel like I'm 85 again.
You are 85.
Coming up on the Bakugan Battle Brawlers, I get a real shock when I realize I only have a few Bakugan left. Most of them have been sent to the Doom Dimension, and I won't be able to sleep if I lose any more. I especially don't want to lose Tigrera, but I also can't back down from a battle if it means I can take one of Masquerade's gang out of the picture. Tigrera's tough like me, but I'm not sure how we do in a one-on-one battle against that creep. There's only one way to find